Inscriptions are a way of embedding data directly onto a blockchain, so it'll live there and be accessible by anyone for as long as that blockchain exists. Note, when your data is inscribed on Asteroid Protocol, it cannot be altered in the future. So, how do you create one? Once you're connected to Asteroid Protocol with a funded wallet, locate the Create menu and select Inscription. Choose the file you want to inscribe, give your inscription a name, add a description if you'd like to, and if it's part of a collection, then you can also add your inscription to an existing collection or click to create a new collection. You can also add traits, which can be useful for organizing pieces in a collection. Once you've named your file within the minimum and max character length, and you've added the optional description, collection, and traits, then you're ready to store your data permanently on the blockchain. Select Inscribe and then sign the transaction and approve it in your wallet. Your data is now inscribed with its unique transaction ID. You'll find that on your inscriptions page and in the URL. To locate your inscribed data on Asteroid Protocol, simply navigate to Latest Inscriptions or search under Portfolio to find a list of all assets in your wallet. You'll notice tabs including tokens, collections, inscriptions, and others. Go to Inscriptions to see all assets inscribed by you, purchased by you, or sent to your connected wallet. This is how to create an NFT inscription on Asteroid Protocol.